Hi, I'm scared because I'm alone and there's workmen here because they're fixing the heater and I have to talk quiet. And they're getting mad at Twinkle for barking. Not fair. And I'm really scared. But soon enough, Hammy will get here. Hammy's just doing his school because I got out early from school. And yeah, I'm scared. And the workmen are only here. Gigi went to go pick up. Mommy went to go pick up Sophia, William, and Joseph. And I'm scared and don't know what to do. You can even hear stuff in the distance. But don't know what to do. Please help me and wish my Hammy back here. Well, that's all for now. Bye.